Hello everyone, today we will make a sleeping fox with the help of a black pen or a black marker. Draw its ears, eyes, nose and then draw its tail. Then we will draw some small leaves of different shapes near it. After completing making the leaves, we will start coloring it. Using yellow ochre color sketch pen, we will fill its half tail, head and the half ears. Then using the dark brown sketch pen, we will fill its leftover tail, ears and then using the light green color, we will fill its face. Then using different colors, we will fill the colors in the leaves and your cute sleeping fox is ready. Then we will make a cute mushroom. First we will draw the upper part of the mushroom and then we will draw its stem. Then we will draw multiple heart shapes inside the mushroom. Then we will make its eyes and mouth in its stem. Now using red color we will fill its upper part and then we will fill the color in its stem using yellow sketch pen and your cute mushroom is ready. Now we will make the cute two cherries. First draw its stem and then draw the circle to make the cherries. Now draw a leaf and put lines inside it. Now fill green color on its stem and orange color in the cherries. Now fill light green color. Next, we will draw a cute little goat. First draw the circle, then draw its ears and its horn. Now we will draw its nose and eyes. Fill the black color in its eyes. Now we will make its body. Draw its leg and the back portion. Draw its tail, then we will start coloring it. Using yellow color, we will fill its face. Put the strokes very carefully. Now using yellow color, we will fill its body and it's ready. Now we will draw a cute ladybug. First we will draw its wings, then we will draw its face, and we will draw its head, eyes, and then we will draw circular patterns in its wings. Now using a black pen, fill the black dots we have drawn in its wings. Then color it using red and green color and your ladybug is ready. Now we will make a yummy strawberry milkshake. First draw the glass, then draw the eyes, nose and the tongue of the glass. Now draw the curvy lines on it. Draw the straw and the strawberry on it. Now fill it using pink color. Color it carefully. Now using red color and orange color, fill the color in the strawberry and the straw. Now put white dots over it and it's ready. Now we will draw a glass containing milkshake. First draw the glass and then draw its stand. Then draw the lines inside the glass as we are drawing. Draw the ice cream and the cherry on the top of the glass. Then using pink color we will start coloring the glass. Fill the colors very carefully. Now we will fill the color in its straw and the cherry. Put some dots on the ice cream and it's ready. Thanks for watching.